Hello everyone, welcome to Manvi Tips. Are you someone who loves sketching but are not able to find any time and wants to take their art on next level? Then keep on watching this video because in this video I'm going to show you few tips and tricks in order to draw a human anatomy very easily and effectively.
Let's get started. In human anatomy, there is no better way to learn it other than sketching. It is also a great way to improve your observational skill. We will be focusing on perspective and proportion. We will start with very basic outline of the body. This will help you to understand the overall shape of the body and the specific areas we'll be focusing on. Pay attention to the proportion of the body. Humans are designed in a way that makes them look natural and realistic. Human anatomy is made to be moved, so do include movements in the muscle. Study the picture and convert any image into basic shape, like there is a square, and turn it into 3D shape using perspective. For example, when you look at a cube from different angles, the way it changes its lines and directions, in the same way, human anatomy will. It also depends on which angle you are looking at from and where is the other person standing. For example, if you are looking at a person from the top, look how you will see the face of a cube which is from top point of view. Be patient when sketching. It may take some time to get good at it, but with little practice, you'll be able to produce stunning sketches that can impress your clients. Your sketches might look rough in the start, but don't get discouraged. Now, for example, when I am going to look at this photograph, I'm going to make sure that first I divide it into basic shapes. Not only that, I'm also figuring out from the perspective that I'll be looking at the cylinder or the cuboid or the sphere from. As I first mentioned, it is very important with the basic shape, you also have to look at the proportion and the perspective, both together. Then only the shapes can fit in the right direction. Though in this video I'm only showing big chunks of basic shapes so that if you are a starter and a beginner for the sketches, it does not scare you. But as you go further, you can fill in more details into small parts. Like for example, right now I'm showing you feet with big chunk of cuboid. But as you go further, not only feet, but you will also look at the toes from different angles. So if you are a starter and you are trying to learn how to make anatomy, my first suggestion would be look at different angles, look at the action figures and try only dividing them into basic shapes. Only concentrate at that, then later on we will put on muscles and skin and tonal variation. For example, see, I'm going to take another picture and again divide this into basic shapes. Now for example, in this image, I also feel that the torso should be also divided into different shapes rather than one torso. It all depends from one picture to another. You can make many divisions as per your requirement. Whenever you are making a picture like this where a person is sitting or standing on an angle where you need to show the background, so make sure you really put a lot of focus on the curves and turning points and also show the base of where they are sitting. It is very important to show where the person is sitting so that the ending could look settled. A lot of times, students usually forget to make the base, because of which the drawing looks as if the person is floating in the air. Now, if you want to get pro in this, remember, practice is the key. So draw it from life. Human anatomy is best understood when it's in action. So go out there and sketch. Thank you for watching Manvi Tapes. Subscribe my channel, and if you like and enjoyed, please leave a comment.